Hello, I'm Dr. Adam London, Director of the Kent County Health Department. There are a couple of destructive myths circulating that I would like to address today. But first, let's talk about those numbers. Kent County is now averaging 333 new diagnosed cases per day and a positivity rate of 14.2%. Those numbers are up from about 277 new cases and 13% 1 week ago. More concerning is the reality that our Kent County hospitals have 159 people hospitalized so far this week due to COVID-19, and 46 of those people are in intensive care. 2 weeks ago, there were only a total of 69 people hospitalized with COVID here in Kent County. Now on the bright side, 26.9% of Kent County residents are fully vaccinated, and another 17% have received one dose of the Pfizer or Moderna vaccines. And last week was our most productive week so far. Over 52,000 Kent County residents received a vaccine at the many locations and providers who are helping in this monumental campaign. You can find out more about the vaccines and the providers at vaccinatewestmi.com, or you can directly schedule an appointment as doses become available at the West Michigan Vaccine Clinic at wmvaccineclinic.org. All persons age 16 and older are now eligible. So I'm beginning to hear a couple of false narratives about vaccines and their effectiveness. So I'd like to take this opportunity to dispel those two myths. Myth number one goes like this. Since the number of vaccinations is going up and the number of cases is going up, therefore the vaccine must be causing the new cases. This is completely false. Right now, vaccinated people are not among the people hospitalized for COVID-19. In our investigations, there have been no correlations between sick persons and the vaccine or attendance at the vaccine clinics. Furthermore, the group of people that have received the most vaccines so far, and that's the 65 and older age group, that group of people is seeing a flat curve in cases, while every other age group has been increasing dramatically. The COVID vaccines are not causing the latest surge in cases. Okay, let's talk about myth number two. This myth holds that since some vaccinated people have become COVID-19 cases, this means that the vaccines do not work. I've seen this myth perpetuated on social media as individuals point to individual cases as evidence that vaccines are no good. However, what this really does is point to the reality that we have known all along. The COVID vaccines are upwards of 90% effective, but not 100%. Vaccines are not an absolute shield and guarantee against illness. They are risk reduction, and in fact, they are very, very good risk reduction, but no vaccine, or any other safety device for that matter, can promise 100% risk elimination. Over 4 million Michiganders have received at least one dose of vaccine. At an impressive 90+% effectiveness, this still means that some people, hundreds, maybe even thousands, will become sick. But that is great news compared to the hundreds of thousands or even millions who would have become infected without the vaccine. And we're continuing to learn that in rare instances, when a vaccinated person does become infected, they generally have much less severe symptoms. So please, do your part, get vaccinated, and encourage those around you to do the same. Do that, and we'll get through this very soon. Thank you.